Dear students, welcome to the Art of Learn YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve some of the typical problems on spherical mirror. So let us take the first problem. So this is the example problem taken from your textbook, the page number 170. So here it is. Whatever may be the problems is given in the exam, you have to read the problem carefully. A convex mirror used for rear view on automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. So here what type of mirror is? It is a convex mirror. What are the data is given? One is radius of curvature 3 meter. A bus means object. The object is located 5 meter from this mirror, that is in front of the mirror. So in front of the mirror towards the left. So U is taken as negative. So what you are going to be find? You have to find out find the position, nature and size of the image. So let us start the problem. So first is, what is the data given? So write R equals 3 meter, object distance minus 5 meter. So you have to find out image distance. So if you know the radius of curvature, you can easily find out the focal length. What is the focal length formula? F equals R divided by 2 equals 3 divided by 2. It comes 1.5 meter. So anyhow, it is a convex mirror. The focal length is taken as a positive, that is the plus. So now how do you find out the E? So you have to recall the mirror formula, that is 1 by F equals 1 by V 1 by U. So now substitute the values. 1 divided by 1.5 equals, so 1 by U means you have to find out, minus 1 by 5. So rewrite the equation. 1 by V equals 1.5 plus 1 by 5. So this is taken as a LHS side, it becomes positive. So let us continue. So here it is 1 by V. So here you have to 10 divided by 5. What do you have to do? Here simply multiplied by 10. So here it is plus 1 by 5 equals to, take the LCM, 15, 10, 5 divided by 15 means 3 is equal to 13 by 15. So therefore we become 15 divided by 13. So we have to divide the 15 by 13 like this. 13 ones are 13. So 15 minus 13, you will get 2, become 20. Put the decimal point. Again 13 ones are 13. So minus 7. So becomes 17. Then 5, 65. So this is enough. So write the value 1.15 meter. So now see the value. What is the V value? Is it a positive or negative? It is positive. Positive means image is real. And what is the distance? That is 1.15. Because of the positive, it is image is formed on the right side of the mirror or behind the mirror. So now write your answer. Image is real and formed at a distance of 1.15 meter behind it. So this is the nature of the image. Now we want to find out what is the size. To find out the size, you have to recall magnification formula. That is m equals minus v divided by u. This is the formula. So what is the v? V is minus 1.15. What is the u? U is minus 5. See the data. See, u is minus 5. So here it is. M become, so minus minus gets cancelled. So it is 0.5 to the 10 and 23. So you know that one, M doesn't have any unit. So what is the value of the M? It is more than 1 or less than 1? It is a less than 1. That means that the size of the image is diminished, or in other words, it is smaller than object size. And what is the value? It is a positive or negative? It is a positive. So because image is erect. So write your answer. Image is real, comma, erect and diminished. So this is your answer for the first problem. I will move to the second problem. I will take this one. So this is one of the NCERT question paper. So first I said already, you have to read the question carefully. An object of size 7 cm is placed at 27 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 cm. At what distance from the mirror should screen be placed so that sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of the image. I said clearly, first find out what type of mirror. It is a concave mirror. Focal length is 18 cm. Therefore, it is a concave mirror. F is minus. And object size. So object size is always upward. So it is taken as a H equal to 7 cm. It is placed at 27 cm in front of the concave mirror. So what is the position of the object in front of the concave mirror means it is minus. So you have to find out size. of the image h dash, and nature of the image means you have to find out the v and h dash. So let us start the problem. Okay. First write h is 7 centimeter, u is minus 27 centimeter, and focal length minus 18 centimeter. So what you have to find out? You have to find out image distance, also height of the image. So first you have to same thing, you have to recall the mirror formula. 1 divided by f equals 1 divided by u plus 1 divided by v. So now substitute the values. 1 divided by minus 18, 1 divided by minus 27 plus 1 divided by v. Just rewrite this above equation. It becomes minus 1 by 18. So this minus go to that side, it become a positive 1 by 27. So as usual, take the 27, take the LCM 9. This is 9 2s are 9 3s are. So enough. 3 into 2 6, 6 into 9 54. So 1 by v equals, take the LCM 54, 18 3s are 54, 27 2. This equals this is minus. See here, this is the minus. It become minus 1 divided by 54, or we become minus 54 centimeter. So here sign is negative. What is the nature of the image? Image is virtual and it is positioned at a distance of 54 centimeter towards left or in front of the mirror. So write your answer. Image is virtual and formed at a distance of 54 centimeter in front of it. Okay, so now you have to find out the size of the image. Just recall the magnification formula. Minus v u. So what is the v? Now only you will find out here. Minus 54. And what is h? U is minus 27. So substitute the values. Minus 54 minus 27. See here. Minus 27 minus 54. So therefore m become minus 2. So it is a minus 2 means it is inverted. That is, it is below the principal axis. And what is the m value? It is said 2. It indicates that size of the image enlarged than object size. So again, write the formula. M equals h dash h. So equals h dash. This is 7. Height of the object. See here. This is 7. So that equals minus 2. Therefore, h dash or size of image minus 14 centimeter. So write your answer. So because it is a negative, it is inverted. And what is the size of the image? It is a 14. It is enlarged. So image is real. Sorry, the virtual. See, virtual inverted. Wait, delete that one. Okay, I'll rewrite again. Image is virtual, comma, inverted and enlarged. So this is your answer. Just to look at once again I will show that one. So first read the problem carefully, then analyze it, then write the data given. Object size is given, h is 7 centimeter, and object distance is given minus 27 means because in front of the mirror, and f is minus 18 because of concave mirror. Okay. So then write the mirror formula, then substitute the values and do the calculation. You will get v is equal to minus 54. Because of the minus sign, it is a virtual and it is formed at a distance of 54 centimeter in front of it. Then recall the magnification formula, minus v divided by u, substitute the values, minus of 54 and minus 27, it become m is equal to minus 2. So minus indicate that image is inverted. And what is the m? It is more than 1. So image is enlarged. So substitute the value of the object height 7. Find out the h dash. Size of the image is equal to minus 14 centimeter. So your answer is image is virtual, inverted and enlarged, and size is 14 centimeter. Okay. I will go to the next problem. So here it is. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified enlarged real image on object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? So here it is, m is given. What is the m is given? 3 times. It is the 3 only. whether it is positive or negative. How do you find out? You want to see the nature of the image. What is that one? It is a real. Real means minus. So m is equal to -3, and object is placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. So 10 centimeter in front of it means minus. So u is equal to -10. So where is the image located? So it is asking only the image object. So here it's a very simple one. First write m equals -3. Why -3? It is a real. An object is -10 centimeter. You have to find out B. So object is placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. So now write the m formula, magnification formula, -v divided by u. This gives rise to -v, we don't know. V minus 10 equals -3. This minus gets cancels, and V become 10 into -3. It become -30 centimeter. So where is the image located? It is a minus means it is located at a distance of 30 centimeter because of the minus in front of the mirror, and it is a minus. The nature of the image is real and inverted. So write your answer. It's a very simple problem. Image is located at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of it. Only this answer is asking. No need to write the nature of the image. If they ask what is the nature of the image, then only you can write it is a inverted. Real is already given. So this is a very simple problem. You will find out the image location. So next go to the another one. So here it is, very simple one. It is asking that one. So magnification produced by plane mirror is +1. What does this mean? So what is the m equals +1? What does this mean? They are asking the answer for this question. So now m is 1 means, and also plus means, you know that one. Plus means image is erect and it is real. Minus means virtual, plus means real. And m is 1 means size of the image is same as that of the object. So just write formula. Image equal to size of image, size of object equal to 1. Therefore, size of image equal to size of object. That's all. You just write according to the symbol. So image is, it is a positive, that is real and erect and is same size as that of object. So this is your answer. It's a very simple one. Sometimes you're asking to analyze the problem with respect to the m is given. Let us move to the next problem. So this is also very simple one. It is also NCERT question paper taken from the NCERT question paper. You're asking that find the focal length of the convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. So very simple one. How do you find out the focal length? So what is the data is given? R is given 32 centimeter and you have to find out focal length. What is the focal length formula? F equal R divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16 centimeter. So this is your very simple one and answer. So just recall F is equal to R by 2. Radius of curvature is given 32. Substitute that value 32 divided by 2. 2 1 ja, that is 16. This is your answer. We'll move to the last problem. So this is I taken from your textbook. It is given in the page number 170. So it is given that an object 4 centimeter in size, that is the size of the object is 4 centimeter, is placed at 25 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. What type of the mirror? It is again concave mirror. Focal length is 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should screen is placed in order to obtain the sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. So here it is. Object is size is given. You write h equals 4 centimeter. It is placed u in front of means minus 25 centimeter, and also focal length is given. What type of mirror? It is a concave mirror. Become a minus 15 centimeter. So you have to find out again V, size of the image H dash. So just recall the mirror formula. One by F equals 1 by U, 1 by U, 1 by V plus 1 by U. Write 1 by minus 15 equals 1 by V we don't know, minus 1 by 25. So just rearrange the equation. 1 by V, it is minus 1 by 15. So 1 by 25, they go to the side, it become a positive. So find out LCM. 15, 25, it is 5, 3, 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25. So 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 5, 75. So write the 1 by 1 by V equals 75 minus 5 plus 25, 3 is 3 minus 2 divided by 75. Now what is V? Therefore V become minus 75 divided by 2, it become minus 37.5 centimeter. So what is the indication? It is a minus means image is virtual, and again minus means it is located in front of the concave mirror. So write your answer. Image is virtual, formed at a distance of 37.5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So this is the first answer. Then you have to find out the size of the image. Size of the image, you have to recall the magnification formula. H is 4 centimeter and U is equal to minus 25. I will move the screen. So first write M equals minus V divided by U. What is minus V? Now only derive the value, minus 37.5 and minus 25. Okay. Now I will write minus of minus, it become a plus, minus 25. So it become again minus. So 25, just find out here. 1.25, it is comes around 7, 5, 12, 125. So 125 means 5 minus 1.5. So M doesn't have any unit. So M is minus means it is inverted. And what is the nature of the size of the image? It is enlarged because M is more than 1. Again recall the M equals H dash H, or H dash equals M into H. So this H dash minus 1.5. What is the height? 4 centimeter. It is given in the problem. H dash is become minus 6 centimeter. Okay. So you have to write your answer. Image is virtual, inverted and enlarged because H dash is minus 6. It is enlarged the size of the object, that is 4 centimeters given in the problem. Just I will show once again. Okay. So what are the data is given? H is equal to 4 centimeter, Y is equal to U is equal to minus 25 and F is equal to minus 15. Just recall the formula, mirror formula, 1 by F, 1 by V plus 1 by U. Substitute the values. 1 divided by minus 15, 1 by V minus 1 by 25. Just rearrange the equation, find out the V, it becomes minus 37.5 centimeter. Because of the minus, the image is virtual, formed at a distance of 37.5 centimeter in front of the concave mirror, because mirror is, see here above, concave. So then recall the magnification formula, minus V by U. So minus of minus, it become a positive, 37.5 minus 25, it become minus 1.5. So now again recall the formula. H dash means size of the image divided by size of the object h. This gives h dash is equal to m into h. M is here minus 1.5 and 4 is given in the problem. 1.5 into 4 it becomes 6. So here minus means it is a inverted and virtual, and h dash is more than 4, it is enlarged. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Like the video for YouTube algorithm. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment section. Thank you once again.